Let us see how to install compiler and IDE for development of C++ programs or applications. As C++ is a very commonly used language, most of you may be knowing how to install a compiler and how to use the IDE and how to start a new project. So you can use the IDE of your own choice, or which is already there on your PC. You can use that one. I will be using Xcode, but I will show you how to install IDEs like dev C++ and code blocks, and also how to install Xcode and use Xcode. So let's start. First we'll look at how to download the compiler and install it. Let us see how to install compiler, that is mingw. Open any browser and URL for compiler is mingw.org. So this is the minimalist GNU compiler for Windows, and here is a download link available. You can just click on downloads. It will take you to a page from where you can download compiler. So this is sourceforge.net. From here you can download latest version of mingw setup exe. So click on this, it will download the setup. Then using this setup you can install mingw on your machine. After installation you have to set the path of this compiler so that any IDE can directly use the compiler. If you download any IDE along with mingw, then directly you can start using it, so you don't have to worry about setting the path.